Hi everyone. Today I will talk about how to implement the cookie in Servlet. What is cookie? Cookie is a key value pair. It is used to maintain a state of an user. Why the cookie is required? The HT protocol is a stateless protocol. It doesn't maintain any state of an user. Then every request is treated as a new request. Then we use the cookie to maintain a state of an user. See this diagram. When user send the request to the server do the processing, the server send the response along with the cookie. The cookie is being created by the server, then which has to be stored at the client browser. When the same user send the request to the server, the request has to be sent along with the cookie. By seeing the cookie, the server can easily recognize that it is a old user. Okay, we will see the implementation of the cookie. Then you type the localhost colon 8080 is the port number. Click on manager app, enter username and password. Select your project. The project name is cookie. Here you can able to enter the username and password. The John is the username. Then Alice is the password. Then click on login button. Here the session have been created for the session has been created for the username John and password Alice. Then once session has been created, we check it once whether session have been created or not in the cookies. Then let me check. Click on inspect. Then see here. Click on applications. Then whether cookie have been created or not. See here, the cookie name is a password, then value is Alice. The cookie is a key value pair. Then cookie name is the user, cookie name is the user, then cookie value is a John. Because these user and password information have been stored in the cookies. Then we want to retrieve it by click on get session. Then see here, the cookie name is user, then cookie value is John. Other cookie name is password, then cookie value is Alice. Because here I have been created two cookies. One cookie is for username, another cookie is for password. Okay, this is the way we can able to implement the cookie concept in servlet. Let me explain the code. The form has been designed. The form is consist of username and password, and also I added submit button. If I click on the login button, then the data has to be sent to the server side application where I am using the servlet. Then the first servlet is create cookie. Here I am using the do post. There are HTTP servlet request object have been created. The HTTP servlet response object have been created. The response that set content type either text or HTML. The print writer object have been created to display anything on the browser. Then we get the username and password by using these statements. Then here once we got the data, then cookie has been created for the user. The cookie name is a user, then value is username. The second cookie has been created, then cookie name is password, cookie values password. Then after that, once cookie have been created, we can add that cookie by using the response object. The response dot add cookie, that object name ck, then response dot add cookie, then password object. The username will be displayed on the browser. The password is also be displayed on the browser. Then after that sessions, cookie or session created for the username. and password. After that, click on the get session button, which has to be redirected to the second servlet. Then where we can retrieve the cookies, then we display it on the browser. I'm going to explain the second servlet. Then whatever the cookies have been created, all the cookies will be stored in the form of an array. Then after that, then the cookie information has been displayed. I am using the for loop over here because how many cookies have been created, I want to display all the cookies. I create the two cookies, then the length of the cookie is 2 because the cookie is a key value pair. The getName method which has used to returns the name of the cookie, the getValue method which returns the value of the cookie. Okay, then whatever the cookie have been created, those cookies will be returns. I would like to write the code for updating the cookies here. The first cookie value, then there is a method is called setValue method. 0 dot set value Madan, value is given as a Madan. Then we can add that value by using the response object. Response dot add cookie is a method. Then which object? I will run once again. Java C. When you do the changes, you must compile the servlet. Then you restart the server. Create cookie dot Java. Then second servlet is retrieve cookie. Java C retrieve dot Java. Then after that you should able to restart the server. I will run the application. John, Alice. Then click on login. Then those information have been displayed over here. Then session have been created by using the cookies. Then I want to click on get session button. See here the cookie name is user, the cookie value is John, the cookie name is password, the cookie value is Alice. See here, then first cookie value have been changed, then cookie name equal to user, then cookie value equal to Madan. I would like to show you application. See here, the user is Madan, it has been changed. Then user is a cookie name, the Madan is a cookie value, then password is a cookie name, Alice is a cookie value. Okay, this value doesn't change. I have been changed only the first cookie. Okay, this is the way we can implement the cookie concept in Servlet. If any doubt regarding the application, you may contact through the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.